I heard, I heard the baby bird tweeting, but see inside the nest, it's empty. See, it's empty inside. So where's this noise come from? Uh-huh. Where is she hiding? See? See inside is empty. It's empty. No bird inside. I figure out that there is a nest here because last night there is one baby bird fell down and it was dead. So I come up here to check if there is another baby bird still alive. And I heard tweeting, but inside the nest there is none. So where is she come from? Where is she hiding? Okay, just pause, and I will check again.